stakeholders, we can develop more context-specific and socially responsible strategies for managing plant diseases. Moreover, the management of bacterial diseases also requires international cooperation and coordination, particularly in the context of global trade and travel. Bacterial diseases can easily cross borders and spread to new areas, and therefore, it is essential to have international regulations and standards to prevent the spread of diseases and ensure the safety and quality of plant products. Furthermore, understanding the mechanisms of bacterial disease transmission is crucial in preventing and managing plant diseases. Bacteria can be transmitted through different routes, such as contaminated soil, water, or plant material. Some bacteria can also be transmitted through insect vectors or other plant pests. By understanding the routes of transmission and implementing appropriate measures, such as regular cleaning and disinfection of tools and equipment, proper sanitation practices, and the use of pest management strategies, we can reduce the incidence and spread of bacterial diseases. Another important consideration in the management of bacterial diseases is the need for early detection and diagnosis. Early detection can help to prevent the spread of diseases and limit the damage to crops. Molecular diagnostics and other rapid detection methods can help to identify bacterial pathogens quickly and accurately, allowing for timely implementation of management strategies. In addition, there is a need for continuous innovation and adaptation in response to changing environmental and socio-economic conditions. Climate change, land use change, and other drivers of global change can affect the distribution and abundance of bacterial populations, as well as the incidence and severity of bacterial diseases. Therefore, it is essential to develop adaptive management strategies that can respond to these changing conditions and ensure the long-term sustainability of plant disease management. Finally, the management of bacterial diseases also raises important ethical considerations. The use of genetic engineering and other technologies for plant disease management raises questions about the manipulation and control of living organisms. These methods must be developed and used in a responsible and transparent manner, with careful consideration of the potential risks and benefits. Additionally, the involvement of local communities and stakeholders is crucial in the management of bacterial diseases in plants. Farmers, consumers, and other stakeholders have important knowledge and experience that can inform the development of context-specific and socially responsible strategies for managing plant diseases. By involving these stakeholders in the development and implementation of pest management strategies, we can build more resilient and adaptive systems that are better able to respond to the needs and priorities of local people. Another important area of research in the management of bacterial diseases is the use of natural products and bioactive compounds. Many plants and microorganisms produce natural compounds that have antimicrobial properties and can be used for disease management. By identifying and harnessing these natural products, we can develop more sustainable and environmentally friendly approaches to managing bacterial diseases in plants. Moreover, the management of bacterial diseases also requires the consideration of global and regional trade policies and regulations. The movement of plants and plant products across borders can facilitate the spread of bacterial diseases, and therefore, it is important to have international standards and regulations to prevent the introduction and spread of diseases. Finally, the management of bacterial diseases in plants is closely linked to the broader issues of food security and sustainable agriculture.